Never claim that the horizon we see should be at a fixed position. I'm claiming what every single glober in here claims. The Earth curvature is not the horizon.
Because in this argument, the moment they do it, the R is derived from the horizon. So the moment they say our horizon's moved, it's like they've just spent 3 years debating with us with a calculator, and its sole purpose is to prove that the sphere edge is getting in the way, that tangent point with a straight line to it is Earth curve getting in the way of things, physically blocking things. So the moment they say the horizon's refracted, so the horizon's not Earth curve getting in the way then.
By George, I think he's got it.
Right. It was the sole claim that bound them to reality, was that you could measure the horizon geometrically. When you refract it, you no longer can. It's over.
Yeah. Which they now deny even having ever said.
That's where we began with percent.
Go ahead, man.
So you started off by saying, well, when they come back to me and say it's just refracted, yet will they deny their own claim in the first instance when they lose? So to say it's refracted is to say the horizon's not Earth curve, and their response at the moment is no one claims it is. Yeah, you claim it is. It's the basis of your religion. The moment you say the horizon's not Earth curve, go and check out a site that advises people on how to debate us. Their argument starts with the horizon being Earth curve. It's the premise they base their argument on. The moment it moves,
horizon does not equal.
If you're gonna butt in, talk about what the show is about, which is this debacle, this photo that we're talking about. Why don't you weigh in on that?
The horizon is not Earth curvature. It's not Earth curvature. It's not Earth curvature.
Excellent. Welcome to Flat Earth. Samurai has just said the horizon is not Earth curvature.
The horizon is not Earth curvature.
Welcome to Flat Earth.
Welcome to Flat Earth.
Caused by the curvature. You forgot the second part.
Caused by a geometric horizon. Well, on screen for my audience is the black swan, and there is no geometric horizon to be causing the apparent location where the sky and sea meet.
Never claim that the horizon we see should be at a fixed position.
That's what the Earth curve calculator shows in exactly those terms. The calculator claims that the Earth curve horizon gets in the way of boats and buildings. That is your claim that the Earth's a sphere in the first instance, and here he is, right on cue, denying the very premise of being a sphere Earther.
I got this 15-minute video where it's destroying the flat Earth, part 1, the horizon, where they talk about how the geometric horizon, which is the apparent position where the sky meets the ground, that's where the obstruction is happening.
Yeah, he's just denied that, and I've told him that that's the very premise that the Earth curve calculators are based on. I had Rumpus absolutely over the ropes yesterday on this, Samurai, because he debated for a significant period, claiming that the horizon was Earth curve getting in the way of the Isle of Man. You absolutely claim it with your calculations. What kind of a thicko are you, Sam? Didn't you realise that you and your religion had an Earth curve edge for a horizon? Why would you deny the very premise that it is to be a globe Earther? Why would you do that, Sam?
I'm claiming what every single glober in here claims. The Earth curvature is not the horizon. It is the horizon is caused by the Earth curvature. The Earth curvature is not the horizon.
I'll ask you the question I asked Rumpus yesterday. We've got a significant amount of debate dedicated to tape where it's specifically claimed, as I've already told you, based on Earth curve calculators, that the horizon is getting in the way of the Isle of Man, geometrically obscuring it. Now, you're telling me that you now take credit for every single one of those debates being wrong because you're not claiming that it's getting in the way of the Isle of Man, correct?
Of course, it's disappearing because of the horizon. Earth curvature is not the horizon.
Well, that would make it a geometric claim then, you stupid idiot. So we're here now immediately into doublespeak. So it is because the horizon's geometrically obscuring it, as was claimed in the Isle of Man. You've just told us no, the horizon isn't the geometric Earth curve obstruction it used to be.
Horizon is not
Samurai,
Earth
please.
curvature. Earth curvature is not the horizon.
But now it is again. No, it's not, my friend. You've told us how it isn't. It's caused by the geometric horizon that used to block the Isle of Man. Well, if that geometric horizon that used to block the Isle of Man is now not a physical horizon that's in a refracted position, that invalidates every single debate we had using those calculators. If you're saying that the horizon's not a geometric obstruction, because that's what it was claimed to be. Didn't you realise? That's what the calculators claim. You're decrying every calculator that claims Earth's a sphere. You idiot.
He said there's multiple horizons.
He's calculating unicorns.
Can you show us that? Can you show us that, Samurai?
Perfect. Look at the mountain. Like at the mountain range, the horizon. Where is it? Can you point it out?
Look at the mountain.
Well, I've got our Black Swan up for the moment, just because that's handy and on screen. That's the example I gave a moment ago. It's not got a geometric horizon, it's just got a stretch of sea. Where's the geometric horizon in that image?
You shouldn't see the geometric horizon.
Well, then that invalidates every single discussion we ever had on the Isle of Man, because it was claimed to be blocking the bottom of the Isle of Man.
Which Glober claims we should see the geometric horizon?
All of them. It's in your globe Earth calculator, marked with an X, labelled horizon, and claimed to be physically obscuring the Isle of Man. A lot, including but not limited to Rumpus, Conspiracy Catz, and Ruhif, who are currently punting Blackpool Swan. They have also specifically stated that the horizon is Earth curve, blocking the Isle of Man, Samurai. You are invalidating every single argument. At this point, Sam, I just want to say a little shout out. Thanks, Catz. Thanks, Ruhif. Thanks, Ranty. Wicked fun. Sam, you're invalidating every argument we've had on Flat Earth Debate that use that calculator right now. How fucking idiotic do you feel?
Well, I didn't see the citation where it said that we should see the geometric horizon.
Citation, Flat Earth Debate 60 through 150. Every single show that has ever showed the Earth curve calculator ever is my citation, Sam. You have invalidated approximately 100 shows with people like Catz and Ruhif, who have claimed precisely that. You've invalidated every single one of their claims. Keep going. That's my citation.
Nathan, you misunderstanding stuff. It's
My citation. Every Flat Earth Debate that's ever used an Earth curve calculator. That's my citation, son.
How are you visually measuring something you can't see?
The thing that was formerly blocking the boats and buildings and Isle of Man specifically. He's invalidating all of that right now by answering that. I just point that out. This is wicked. Keep going, Sam. Keep digging.
Say, just keep letting them talk. Play it again.
You seem to have gone very silent, Sam.
You just misunderstand.
You asked me where it was cited that people had claimed that the physical geometric sphere edge horizon, formerly known as Earth curve, was getting in the way of things, and I've cited my own show from about number 60 to about number 150, and I have named specifically people who have claimed Earth curve was getting in the way of the Isle of Man. You've asked for a citation. You're saying nobody claims the horizon's Earth curve? Yeah, every calculator that claims Earth's a sphere, mate. I've told you that. And now you seem to have gone very quiet and just told me that I don't understand. It's absolutely brilliant. Catz, I could kiss you.
You told me something about cars. That wasn't the question I asked.
Didn't I read a citation to you the other day about this?
Yeah, you did. Yeah, you did read him a
Let them
citation.
talk.
Nobody ever claimed the visible horizon was Earth curve. Come on,
Sam,
guys.
Sam, you stupid shithead. You had the citation read out from National Geographic last time you were here. I trimmed it out for you, bud. Where National Geographic, a very credible citation, made it absolutely explicitly clear that the geometrical horizon is the demarcation between land and sea if you're a sphere-believing muppet who comes to a Flat Earth Debate and invalidates every one of his fundies' claims off the back of Catz's great work, I might add. Thanks again, Catz. Hashtag thanks, Catz.
Hilarious.
Keep going, Sam. Tell us how no one claims this obstruction at the horizon at Isle of Man. Invalidate every one of those debates again for me. I'm loving it, mate. You don't realise how stupid you are. It's great. This is what you've caused, Catz. Everyone who comes here off the back of what you've done is going to bury the globe. And we're going to credit you for it, mate. I couldn't be more pleased.
If the bottoms of boats and buildings are not blocked by a physical geometric horizon,
that's Earth curve.
Then it's only optical. So no Earth curve.